Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that how basically you can build out this awesome little WebRTC code editor, which is basically used in job interviews. So we'll basically build this application inside Node.js Express and socket.io. So you will see my web camera is showing here, and basically we have this editor route right there with syntax highlighting. So you can just write any code that you want. So the nice thing about this that you can just connect multiple people out there. So now let me show you the demo here. So basically this is the application, guys. So it is running on this port number localhost 8080, and let's suppose if I open another window here, let's suppose in incognito window I open a new tab here. So this tab can be anything here, anywhere, internet. You just share with the address of your application, and now it will ask for the permission, guys. You need to allow the camera permission to. You will now see both the clients are now connected here. You will see that, guys. And now if I just type anything here, let's suppose, you can see that automatically the changes will take place because these two windows are automatically connected with each other. So this is acting as if now, guys, these two clients, because my faces are appearing because I am doing it in the same browser. So you will be connecting with your own friend. Let's suppose if you want to connect something. So as I now type the code, guys, it will be reflected in both the windows. So this is basically the you have seen in many websites, guys, on the internet, which allows you to connect with each other for the job interviews. So this basically can be done for various purposes such as code debugging with the multiple developers out there working on the same project. So this is very good project, guys. It is built using Node.js Express and socket.io. And if you want the full source code, guys, of this project, the full source code is given in the description of the video. You can buy the full source code. I have written that source code with my sheer hard work. So if you want to support me, you can just buy the full source code and you can deploy this website live on the internet, and you can earn some money as well. So this is a very awesome technology, guys, socket.io, which makes it possible. So it is, you can see as I'm typing right here, the changes are reflecting here. So whatever I write here consecutively, you will see that I can open this in many windows. Let's suppose I want to open this inside incognito window, third window, and if I paste the same address once again, you will now see 3 persons will be connected here. And now if I try to basically write this, you will now see automatically, you will see that, guys, automatically the code is reflected here also. As I type something here, you will see that automatically. So in all the 3 windows, the code is reflected, is synchronized. So at any point of time, guys, you are basically doing this, you will see that automatically all the windows are connected. So at any point of time, so if you want to delete this, it will be reflected in both the 3 windows. So this is basically the technology of socket.io, guys, which basically connects all the clients which are connected in the application together. And this is the real power of this. So if you want to do this process, guys, this is the code editor, guys. You will see syntax highlighting is also there, and line numbers is also there. If I see, all the line numbers will be added here. So this is basically the theme that you are seeing right here. It is Sublime Text theme. So Sublime Text editor, you have seen, it's a very good editor, Sublime Text. So we are also using the Sublime Text syntax highlighting, and specifically, guys, we are using this library ACE syntax highlighter for the highlighting purposes. So this is basically the ACE syntax highlighter. It's a library which is used for syntax highlighting of HTML, any sort of, you can see that the theme you can change here. All these themes are supported by this library. So now, guys, I will show you the source code. Basically the source code is this one. If you buy the source code, guys, you will get this full this thing, and it will contain all these files out there. And I have written all this source code with my sheer hard work. And basically inside package.json file, guys, we have these 2 dependencies which are installed in Node.js server and Express. We have the Express server, which is, and socket.io. Socket.io, if you don't know, guys, socket.io is basically a technology which makes it possible to create these fun little WebRTC applications. So it's a WebRTC library, guys, which is a bidirectional protocol which makes it possible to send data from client to server and to server from server to client. So this makes this bidirectional communication possible. So these kinds of application that you see, guys, online multiplayer games or collaborative real-time editor, WebRTC video and audio chat, these are all possible due to socket.io. So this makes it very much easy. So we have these two dependencies, and then we are having this start command which will start our server. So basically, now to start this application, guys, once you buy the full source code, you need to install all these dependencies by invoking npmi, and after that you just need to say npm start. So this will start your Node.js server, guys, at localhost 8080, and after that you can simply type here localhost 8080. So this will need to grant the permission first of all of your web camera, and then you can start coding here. You can just write any code here. Let's suppose print statement, this is valid Python code, and if you want to write here, let's suppose any sort of code that you write here, C# code, anything you can write here. And let me just show you some code, guys. This is the server.js file. This is basically the web server. Basically here we are initializing our socket.io, and we are loading this public index.html file. This index.html file we are loading here. We are including all the dependencies, socket.io, ace.js, and we also require jQuery here also. And we are showing the local video, guys. You will see that local video, and we are showing the remote video as well. You will see that. So we are showing two video tags right here. First is a local video, and then we have the remote video. And if you just go to app.js, guys, these are the JavaScript code which is required for this. You can use any theme of your choice, guys. Let's suppose if you want to change this theme, what you can do is that, as I showed you, this supports various themes out there. We are using this theme which is Monokai. You can change this theme to, let's suppose, this theme, Chaos. So you just need to change this here, CHAOS. So now if you make this change, guys, you just need to refresh this application. Just change this. npm start, and now, guys, if you see, basically your theme will be changed. Now this theme will be there. You will see if you just write anything here, function hello, you can see that now the theme is changed. So you can use anything that it supports, guys. You can read the documentation after you purchase the source code. And after this, guys, we are setting this for highlighting only JavaScript, and basically you can change this for highlighting any programming language. Let's suppose I want to highlight Python language, so I can here replace here Python. So once again I need to restart this application. So npm start. So what it will do, guys, basically now it will highlight only the Python code. So we will say that print, you will see print statement is highlighted hi hello like this. So now this will no longer highlight your JavaScript. This totally depends upon you, guys, how you want to approach this, which language you want to do this. And that's all, guys. This is all the code that you see right here. And please, if you like it, you can purchase it. The link is given in the description of the video. And thank you very much, guys, for watching this video, and I will be seeing you in the next video. So this is your collaborative real-time code editor. So thank you very much.